All right, so today we're going to go over something that has to do with the credit plug, which has a huge following. But just know I'm not the only one that is trying to expose this guy. He has a huge following, and that's scary because people fall into those traps when they have a huge following. As you can see, I'm on his website, 35daycreditrepair.com. And if you just scroll down to available services, he has an express, a standard, and he also does financing. So for $2,500, they can remove all your negative accounts in 120 days. Or you can pay $4,000 and get everything removed in 60 days. They accept credit and debit card, which is a plus, but then they also accept Cash App and Zelle. Now, the thing with Zelle's fine as long as it's going into a business account, not a personal account. A lot of these scammers will use Zelle so it goes into a personal account, so they don't have to pay, well, they think they don't have to pay taxes as far as the business goes, but they charge $49 for a consultation. You cannot charge for consultations for credit repair. A lot of the frequently asked questions on here, and now I'm on Crown Credit Pro because I'm pretty sure he just outsources to them, because as you can see, they charge $4,000 as well. It's just ridiculous when it comes to the pricing of these companies, but their frequently asked questions are pretty much identical to his. Another thing that I noticed, and so he's got his phone number on here. Credit repair companies cannot have their phone number on their website either. Somewhere it said 20 years of experience. Yeah, we have 20 plus years of experience. Literally just started doing credit repair this year. Don't know where the 20 years of experience went. So what a lot of consumers fall for is these results that they post, which are amazing results, but they're temporary. They're going to come right back on your report. And if you wipe somebody's credit report clean, they're not, 9 times out of 10, they're not going to see a 200 and something point increase. I'm not saying that it can't happen, but you got to remember you're losing all the age and history that you had from those negative accounts when they were positive too. So what they do is they add a trade line as well. But this is 𝗥𝗲𝗹. I don't know if you guys know him. He's part of Dispute Beast, and I have no problem showing y'all that and sharing y'all that because I get a lot of people from Dispute Beast, and when I say a lot, I mean a lot of people, so that helps me out tremendously. But he done a video pretty much exposing him too. As you can see, he's got 125,000 subscribers, so much bigger following than me. But Antoine, I think's his name, the credit plug, he has 291 subscribers. Now that's scary because that's potentially 291,000 consumers that could easily get scammed by this. You should not be paying $4,000 for credit repair. You just shouldn't. I get it. People fall for the fast results. I'm going to get results within a week, 2 weeks. I get that. That's what everybody wants. The problem is they're not doing this the right way. They're not doing this the legal way. And I'm not saying the pre-litigation credit repair that my company offers is the only right way to do credit repair. It's not. You can do regular credit repair, sending in disputes every 30 to 45 days, hoping and praying everything comes off. That's legit. You can do that. But doing these credit sweeps that he's doing and Crown Credit Pro is doing, it's not the way. I mean, you're going to get results almost immediately, but it's not going to last. It's all going to go right back on your credit report. That's a fact. Don't believe me? Go pay them $4,000 and watch what happens 2 to 3 months after they wipe your report clean. Now, the reason I'm showing you this is because I don't want you to get scammed. I think this is maybe another 𝕤𝕤𝗏 showing results from credit sweeps, and sure, they look good on paper. They look good, showing them to people, but they do not last. I just want y'all to be careful who you sign up for when it comes to credit repair. This is not me pitching, you got to sign up with me or anything like that. Like I said in my video yesterday, I don't care who you sign up with. I always want you to sign up with whoever you feel comfortable signing up with. I mean, this is your credit we're talking about. It's a pretty big deal. So you got to be careful who has your personal information. So just wanted to share this with y'all. If y'all do have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.